Oh, so hey guys. So today we're all about to do this collab, do Python, and I will be going to tell you how does Python work. First of all, you can see that Python is like this. I think I should introduce you to the first keywords. Like, wait, wait. Don't mind the annoyance. I will just wait for 1 minute. Okay, so Python has lots of keywords and functions. First, introduction to Python. So, like Python is a programming language language. I don't know the spelling, so I'm just going to write this. No. Wait. I have I have a I have a Supra Dupra. Oh yeah, here you go. Language. UAGE. Okay. A programming language that helps you to do lots I said, lots of stuff like hacking, hacking like this, yeah, hacking, and then website, now games, and then like websites. You need to program for websites, right? Sites, yeah, dot, yeah, and so on. So the first thing we can do, like, first of all, I will introduce you to the print. If you do like the print function, you do like this. These are the brackets, parentheses, what you also say parentheses. these parentheses have these types. This, oh my gosh, this, the square brackets, and then this. So the parentheses have these types, and now you know the parentheses, right? It's like right here. So now we are going to now see how to print something what you want. Like I will move on to this. What is this? I will tell you right now. Of course, these are comments. Like you can put comments in your code. You said this code. You put comments in your code, and like you remember what you said and what you did. So don't be confused in this. It's like super simple. So yeah, we are going to, if we want to print out something, we are going to use these parentheses. These are the square parentheses and these are the curly parentheses. So if we want to print out something, we will use these. If we want to like make it this, we're going to do that. So first of all, I will tell you how to use this. So I will just do hello world, no, comma, world, hello world. So now we are going to, and the code doesn't print out anything like that. So we are just going to run the code. We can run the code from this wheel, and I recommend you the Colab notebook. I recommend you the Colab notebook. The Colab notebook, so like you can do things, but in the Colab notebook, please don't use this generate with AI, because this like generates the whole code without any of effort. So you need to put effort in the code so you can do things. You can also use Jupyter Notebook and then the Python tutor and something else. So it printed out hello world. So now we are going to go, we did the print, and now we are going to get the introduction to the variables. So the variable is like, we can say variable. This is our variable right here. This is a variable right here. So why is it underlined? Because you don't know if this is a variable or something. Well, Python doesn't even know what is this. It will just give you an error. So you can just print like say variable is equals to, I'm just gonna say you if you want to put a variable, so you use these. So we're just going to say YT. Okay, YouTube. So now we are going to just print out this. So we are just going to say your, you know the print, so your variable is, we are just going to use the colon and put a comma outside these double commas, whatever is it. So you press a space and just write the variable, the name right here, variable, comma variable. So now see what will it print. Your variable is YT. You can put in anything like, if I want to put, I can put ride, and then It says your variable is right. So you can just print out any message and any variable. So this is our first of all, this is our Python language. This is first of all, this is our introduction to Python. So in the next video we will cover strings and we will cover the data types. So this is enough for today. So bye bye guys, meet you in the next video.